The Org Business Consultants are back with another financial model, which is rental equipment Excel financial model. This model will help the rental equipment business owners to evaluate, forecast, and visualize their financial performance. The table of content includes the input sheet, revenue analysis, financial statements, and the dashboard for the visual representation. Moving on to the input sheet, it shows the assumptions for the investment, the cost of goods sold, the revenue segmentation, the revenue generated from the rental of each product, the payroll assumptions, capital expenditure, operating expenses, account receivable, payable, and inventory days assumption. Moving on to the revenue analysis sheet, it shows the total number of visitors in each month and each visitor converted into the customer. It also shows the revenue generated from each product. Next, we have the depreciation and amortization schedule. The depreciation shows the reduction in the value of your asset for the next 5 years, and the loan amortization schedule shows the monthly principal and interest payments. Next, we have the startup summary. It is the estimation of how much investment is required in the first year of your business, and it also consists the graphical representation of total cost and the utilization of funds. Moving on to the income statement, we have the monthly as well as the yearly income statement. It shows the operating expenses, EBITDA, and the net income before and after taxes. Moving on to the cash flow statement, it shows the cash flows from operating activities, investing activities, and financing activities. The working capital table shows the amount in account receivable, payable, and inventory, and the change in these accounts. Next, we have the balance sheet, which shows the total assets, equity, and liabilities for the year ended. Moving on to the break-even analysis, it is the point at which the cost and income of your business are equal. The model shows the break-even with respect to the sales amount. It also shows the monthly break-even. Next, we have the project evaluation, which shows the valuation of your company at year zero. It includes the net present value of the company and the internal rate of return. It also shows the burn rate analysis and the minimum investment required. The sensitivity analysis sheet shows the gross profit margin and the EBITDA margin in pessimistic, moderate, and the optimistic scenario with their graphical representation. In the last, we have the dashboard, which shows the most relevant financial graphical representation of the model and depicts the key financial metrics for the better understanding of the performance measures. Thanks for watching.